Nietzsche, a well-known philosopher, is not someone that most people would associate with Christianity or the Bible. However, in his book Beyond Good and Evil, Nietzsche quotes from the book of Proverbs, specifically Proverbs 11:24-25, to illustrate his belief that generosity is a virtue that leads to personal prosperity. This Bible verse has a powerful message that transcends time and culture and offers valuable lessons for day-to-day living. The verse reads, "One man gives freely, yet gains even more. Another withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." This verse emphasizes the importance of generosity, both in giving and in receiving. It highlights the principle of sowing and reaping, and emphasizes that those who give freely will receive even more in return. Generosity is a trait that is often praised in many cultures and religions, and the Bible is no exception. In fact, the Bible has much to say about the importance of being generous. For instance, in Luke 6:38, Jesus says, "Give, and it will be given to you. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together and running over, will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use, it will be measured back to you." This verse echoes the message of Proverbs 11:24-25 and emphasizes that those who give generously will receive generously. But what exactly does it mean to be generous? Being generous involves giving freely of your time, resources and talents to help others. It involves going out of your way to help those in need, whether that means volunteering at a local charity or donating money to a worthy cause. Generosity also involves being kind and compassionate to others, offering a listening ear or a shoulder to lean on when someone is going through a difficult time. Generosity is not just about giving to others, it's also about receiving from others. When we are generous with others, we open ourselves up to receive blessings in return. When we help others, we create a sense of community and connectedness that can be very fulfilling. We also set an example for others to follow, inspiring them to be more generous and kind to others. The Bible verse from Proverbs 11:24-25 teaches us that generosity is a virtue that leads to personal prosperity. This doesn't necessarily mean that we will become wealthy or successful in a material sense. Rather, it means that when we are generous with others, we create a positive energy and good karma that can lead to greater happiness, fulfillment, and peace of mind. Generosity is a way of living that can help us connect with others, find meaning and purpose in life, and make a positive difference in the world. In conclusion, the Bible verse from Proverbs 11:24-25 reminds us of the importance of generosity in our lives. It teaches us that when we give freely to others, we will receive even more in return. Generosity is a virtue that can lead to personal prosperity, both in terms of material wealth and spiritual well-being. So let us be generous with our time, our resources and our talents, and let us be open to receiving blessings in return. By doing so, we can create a more positive and compassionate world, one act of kindness at a time.